Hey, welcome to Cooking with Ranger Rob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe, then click on the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now.
Hi everybody, this is Rob from Cooking with Ranger Rob. Today is a special day because my wife has a great little treat. So it's a dessert, and it's called the 7-layer bars, and they're just delicious and they're very easy to make. It takes 7 ingredients, and we're going to take a look at that right now.
To start out, here's our lineup of goodies: butter, graham crackers, chocolate chips, caramel bits, coconut, and walnuts, and condensed milk. We're using a glass cake pan, and we're going to need a plastic bag, a knife, and a rolling pin. First, we grab our graham crackers and we're going to put them in a plastic bag, and then we're going to beat them to death with a rolling pin and mash them all up and get them ready to go in the pan. This is probably the cleanest and easiest way to do it. Our oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and my wife likes to just put the cube of butter in there for a little while to let it melt down. While that's going on, she gets her walnuts and gets ready to chop them up a smidgen. This looks like a lot, but the reason being is we're making 2 batches of this later, so she had to cut up a lot of them. You only need about a half a cup. She's also getting a cup of chocolate chips ready to go. And her melted butter is ready, so she pulled it out and she just spreads it out with a little brush to get the edges and the sides and all that good stuff to get it ready to add the graham crackers. So take your graham crackers, start pouring them in, and start blending them with the butter. And it'll get kind of lumpy a little bit and stuff, and then what she does is she gets a plastic bag and starts smushing them out to get a nice smooth bottom. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. And now it's time to add our chocolate chips, and she does about a cup's worth. And by the way, the next ingredient, which will be caramel, you can substitute for butterscotch, all kinds of different flavors. No matter what, it's yummy. Butterscotch is a killer ingredient, and if you don't use caramel. Next, you want to add your coconut. So we get a cup of coconut and spread that out all over the yummy ingredients that are in there already. She used about a cup of this too, and sometimes you can add a little more if you like it thicker. After the coconut, she's adding her walnuts. And once again, you can do this the way you want. You can use different kind of nuts too. And last but not least is the condensed milk. So this is kind of a slow process, and we'll try to kind of show you how she does it. But she makes sure that the edges get the condensed milk, and it's just kind of a slow process going around. We'll try to speed this up a little bit, get it all spread out, and so it'll soak into all the bars, and you just keep going and you keep going and you keep going. Pretty soon you get almost the whole thing covered, and then I'll show you here what it looks like when she's all done. Here's a close-up. She's just finishing up. Voila, here's the finished product. Next, it's time to add it to the oven. Yes sir, at 350. Plan on about 30 minutes, and then voila, it's done over time. These things are delicious, and I'm not going to show you the insides, but believe me, these are so good and you will love them. Enjoy. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.